What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals with me. What is going on, brother?
What's going on, everybody?
Oh, the frenzy in the crypto space. You gotta love it. Like I told you guys, meme coin season is back, and it is back with a vengeance. We got tokens popping all over the place on Dex Tools and Uniswap, left and right and left. But Pepe, because of the massive amount of volume, there's one thing you need to think about when you're buying on these platforms, and that is the craziness of these gas fees. So, Justin, take us away, man.
Yeah, these gas fees are insane, and they hit a one-year high. We haven't seen gas fees this high since 20, really, I feel like 2021, but maybe like the beginning of 2022. So Pepe's latest craze to grasp the crypto sector. The token has gained as much as 665% in the last week and 585% in the last 14 days. The asset has led many investors bowing down in FOMO of what many think is the new meme coin king. A parallel development to all of this is the fact that ETH gas fees are going absolutely nuts right now, and they're at a one-year high. So on May the 4th, may the 4th be with you, and the average cost of the single Ethereum transaction increased above $15.82. I swear, Hobbs, we have been spoiled with low gas fees for the longest now because I feel like gas fees have shot through the roof. And now an Ethereum average transactions cost between about 50 to 70. And in 2021, things were relatively quiet since the market collapsed in 2022. The crazy thing about it is I think gas today was like $300, which is absolutely insane. So due to higher gas prices, 9,392 ETH were burned during the last 24 hours, reaching a one-year high, which is also insane that that's how much ETH has been burnt. People are buying up not just Pepe, but all the meme tokens, hoping to hit that 1,000x. I really think that Pepe is on its way, and I don't think gas is coming down anytime soon. So, what do you think about these gas fees, man?
You know, I'm old enough to remember a time, young buck, when gas fees were like this every single day. When the bull market hit,
about to say when gas fees was like 2 cents. I remember when I was 2 years old.
When crypto was going crazy, this was the norm. Like, you almost like hesitated to buy anything because you just knew gas fees were going to be ridiculous. Guys, I'm here to tell you that just like the man, that I am, I got to look out for the people. And I got to let you know that if you go right here on CoinMarketCap, you type in Pepe, it brings you to Pepe. You click down here and it'll start with an overview, right? You click on markets, and it has every single exchange that Pepe is listed on. And for my newbies out here, this is important. When you're navigating through crypto and you see these high gas fees, know that you have another option. Multiple, as a matter of fact. Just recently, Pepe was listed on Binance, the largest exchange in the world, KuCoin, Crypto.com. It's listed on OKX, Gate.io, Huobi, PolyNX, BitGet, Mexi, CoinX, LBank, BKEX, and Bitmart. You know what all of those exchanges have in common, along with multiple others down here? There is no gas fee. You pay a transaction fee on most of these platforms, but you traditionally can just trade without paying that additional gas fee. So if you're looking for other ways to trade this, you don't want to go straight to Dex Tools and Uniswap and pay that ridiculous gas fees, check out some of these markets. They're fairly easy to set up. There is a KYC process that you have to go through. Know your customer, meaning that your transactions will be tracked a lot sooner, a lot easier than with the definance, right? That's the only downfall that some people see. I don't see it as a big deal if you're not hiding anything and you pay your taxes. That being said, guys, I hope that's been helpful for you, and understand that these gas fees it's not something that you have to deal with, but if you want to deal in decentralized finance, that's what you're going to have to deal with. That being said, let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come back over to the ClearCryptos education channel. Check out that guy over there. Oh, that guy over there who is Jay Seals. My name is T. Hobbs, and we will catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.